Hello and welcome to your official Loog Guitar lessons. My name's Emily Zimmer. I'm going to be your teacher. Let's rock. I'm going to teach you how to tune your 3-string Loog guitar. Now you can either use a digital tuner or you can use the tuning feature in your Loog app. Now this has got 2 settings, auto and manual. With auto, you can go ahead and play your string and the tuner will detect which string you're trying to tune, like this. So it's telling me that I'm playing E, which is my 1st string. And you see that the needle is a little bit toward the left. That means that my string is a little too low, which in music we call flat. So my string's a little flat. And there's also instructions telling me to tighten my string. So I'm going to go ahead and do that in a moment, but first I want to show you the manual setting. And with that one, you push on which string you would like to tune, and it actually plays the note so you can hear it. And then you pluck that string. And again, it's telling me that my string is too low and I need to tighten it. So I'm going to come over here to my tuning pegs. Since I'm tuning the 1st string, that's going to be this tuning peg right here. And you can follow the string out to find out which tuning peg you're going to use. And I'm going to turn that counterclockwise to tighten my string. And then I'm going to go back to my tuner and see if I'm correct. Well, I'm almost there. So I'm going to tighten a little bit more. Let's try it again. Hey, check it out. I earned 3 points because my string is in tune. Let's tune the 2nd string with the auto setting. Now, as you can see, it says B. That's the correct note for my 2nd string, but it's a little too high. So I've got to loosen my string using this middle tuning peg right here. I'm going to turn that clockwise a little bit, and let's try again. Oh, not quite there. Let's do it one more time. Ooh, I'm so close. Hey, there we go. I got some more points because I'm right in tune. All right, just for fun, let's go back to manual. Let's listen to that 3rd string. Okay, let's see how close I am to in tune. Ooh, looks like I'm a little bit low. Time to tighten my string. There we go. I'm all in tune. And that's how you use your tuner to help you tune your 3-string Loog guitar. Remember to subscribe to the Loog Guitars channel and press the bell icon so you can get notified every time we have a new lesson up. Until next time.